Hey guys, and welcome back to the Delpris family. In today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys this really cool survey app that pays you a lot of money to do surveys. I don't think there's any other app or website that pays you like this one. This video is gonna be a really quick one because it's pretty simple and easy, and everybody knows how to do surveys and what surveys are all about. So anyway, as you can see right here, it says experience and it says entertainment. So they're gonna pay me $2 to do a survey about entertainment, and they're gonna pay me $2.50 to do another one about experience. Alright, so if I click on experience, they're gonna tell me how long this survey is gonna take. They're gonna tell us everything we need to know. As said before, I think everyone that's gonna be watching this video already knows about surveys. I'm just showing you guys a high paying survey app or website. I think they also have a website you can go to, but how this survey works is they message you when they give you notification when you have a new survey out, right? And as you can see, this one says 15 to 20 minutes. I mean, that's the length of most surveys, right? There was another one that was paying me $5, so it's not here, and this is why. Is because each of these, they have time limits. So my best advice is hopefully you're not doing anything whenever they give you notification. That way you can just jump on straight to the surveys and get them right on time. That way they don't time out on you, because then that would be a drag. And trust me, that's pretty annoying, because I said before, I had a $5 one, and as soon as I started this video, it just vanished because it timed out on me. And I was going to try to do that after this video, but it is what it is. But as you guys can see, you got an opportunity to make $2.50 in just 20 minutes max, right? And how do you get these high paying surveys? Sometimes you just got to fill out like your profile. For example, you just got to put like a whole bunch of stuff, answer everything, you know what I mean? Like if they ask you how much is your income, try to put something high. I'm not trying to say lie, but I mean, if that's the way you're gonna get the highest paying surveys on this app or website, then I mean, I said before, I'm not trying to tell you guys to do that, but if that's the case, then it's all up to you. All right, and as you guys can see over here, this is what I've earned so far. Well, this is what is still on this app. Honestly, I already cashed out like $20 already, right? But this is what I have right now. And the thing is, the reason why it's only this is because some of my surveys, because if you do not answer something, like for example, if they want you to answer, like for example, if they say how many devices you use per day or something like that, and you say 1, and they give you up to 7 and you say 1, then they probably say I don't know, you're not qualified for this survey or to go any further, and then they give you like 10 cents. So lately I've been getting a lot of 10 cents, but before I used to sit there and answer all of them. So sometimes you just gotta pick the most over dramatic ones, like for example what I just said. So you would pick like 6 devices a day, 7 devices, you know. It's just a way to make some extra money in your pocket. As you can see here, it says survey history. I could go on view all, and but right here it says shopping habits. So this is the last one I did, and it says 10 cents right there, as you guys can see, because it brought me out because I answered one question, like I said something like 1 instead of 7, etc. So yes guys, so that's me rambling. But anyways, as you guys can see, I said before, you can make a lot of money with this app. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and if you guys enjoyed this video or found any value, subscribe, like, and also share with your friends. And I appreciate your time that you have spent with me right now, and enjoy your day. See you guys in the other one.